Where is the lace? Where is the lace? Like, girl, you can't even see. Wow, I'm a pro. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I laid down this hair. Basically this hair, I basically washed it so it looked rough and all of that, like with nothing done. And I'll be showing you how I laid down my closure. This is a 5x5 closure, by the way, and how I do my edges, how I make sure like the hair is like really flat and silky and all of that. So if you would like to know how I laid down this bad boy right here, please keep watching, and yeah, let's dive into it, guys. You can choose to wear the wig cap, or you can choose not to. Basically what I do is like apply a bit of foundation in the areas that I know that we show underneath, yeah, just to match my skin color a bit, or my scarf a bit. And yeah, here is the wig. Oops. So this is a 5x5 closure. So basically it's like the new trend, you know, the like what they call it, they call it the wide closure. So I'll be using the got to be glued. This is in the black, is it like black cover? Usually I would use the normal one, the one with like the silver cover. I don't know if there is any difference. I think this one is water resistant, but it gives you the same hold basically. So I'm just going to take a bit and apply here. So basically what the wig cap does is protect your edges a bit, and also like give you that scarf illusion, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to extend it a bit because it's a wide closure. So I'm going to pull the closure. So I'm just going to add a bit more here. Just to hold the end here. Don't know for here. I'm just going to use this to blend the lace to my scarf, or yeah. Just to blend it with. Just going to use this brush to brush everything back. Just adding extra at the ends here because I just want them to lay. I meant to cut out these beads, but just don't have that time now to do it. So I'm going to tie it down with this silk rope, just making sure I push back all the hair. Yep, and then I'm going to style it. I don't know, like I've been wearing this hair as like with center parting, and I don't know if to change up the look. I just want a quick styling, so I think I will go with center parting. I love this hair so much. It's like so lush. I'm just going to pat the hair. As you can see, like with the wig cap that I was wearing, it just made, can you see, it just makes it look real, as if you're seeing my scarf. So that's one good thing about using a wig cap underneath. Most times I don't really bother, I just wear my wig and then call it a day, especially when I have like a fresh cornrow, when you can still see my scarf. That's when I don't really bother. But when you have like that old cornrow, might as well just wear a wig cap, and yeah, and it just looks like, you know, it's your hair. I mean, it's your hair, you paid for it. But yeah, so I'm going to style my hair. I'm going to use this cream de nature mousse. Just to lay it. This hair is just washed and like all the styling just went out of the roof, and yes, I have to like do everything from scratch, and I feel like it's a good one. At least like I can show you guys what I do. And yeah, I'm going to use this Tresemme Heat Defense. So this one is in the purple bottle. I think they have another one, but I use this one in the purple bottle. And the spray, and the spray all over my hair. And when I'm saying this thing is so good, it will make your hair silky, and it will give it like a bit of like good texture, and it also protects your hair from like the heat, so your hair doesn't really damage. Yes, I'm spraying it because I'll be using some hot comb. This thing, if you don't have this thing, girl, nah, you need to get this, because this is a game changer. Your wig will be laid when you start using this, so take it from me. So I'm just doing this to slick down the hair, or lay down the hair, whatever you want to call it. Just this thing is hot, so just be careful, and also be careful when you're using it so that it won't rip out your closure. I'll go ahead and use this Kera Care styling wax. This is a game changer. But one thing about this is the smell is quite strong, and yeah, it just irritates me a bit, but I just have to take my mind off it. Apart from that, it does a good job in laying down the flyaways and just making everything on point. Then I'm going to use it here as well, because I want to give it like that glam look. So I'm just going to use this again. Like once you use the Kera Care and then use the hot comb, it just lays everything down. Just be careful. And then I'm just going to do this bit here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Just being careful. I want it to give me that, you know. You guys will see when I finish. And then I'm going to use this got2b oil. It's called Tame and Shine styling oil. This is my go-to. I think I took a bit much. And then apply it all over. Like already my hair is looking beautiful. So I'm just going to start straightening my hair with my hair straightener. That's why I like I don't really do straight hair, but lately I've been, you know, into it, and it's just basically a change of look, and I'm liking it. So this hair straightener is my mom's own and we got it in Italy, so I don't know if, yeah, just use any hair straightener. And this hair I'm wearing is what they call bone straight. So basically it's hair that really stays straight no matter what you do. Even when you wash it, after washing it, it just basically stays straight. So yeah, this is a good one. So I'm just going to do this all over the hair, and we continue styling, you know. So this is how it looks. So I'm just going to take off this hair scarf. Oh. Yeah, it laid. It's laid. One thing I would say when taking off the scarf is basically don't take it off like this. Take it off like this. So slide it down instead of like up, because when you slide off you might actually pull the lace. So basically slide it like this. That's a good trick. If not, you just start again. And I don't know, I feel like I will add a bit of baby hair. I've been wearing this hair without adding any baby hair, but let's do it. Just a tiny bit. Don't really want too much baby line. And I'm going to use this eyebrow razor. So I used a bit more of the Kerak here, just to put here, and then use a bit of the hot comb as well. Can you see how it melts the hair? And then I use it here as well. Just be careful not to get burnt. By styling here, it just gives like the lift here. So that's the look I was going for. I'm going to take out this and see how my edges came out. I'm not really good with doing edges, so let's see. Oh dear. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad. I'm just going to do it well. The edges is not bad. I'm feeling like a diva. Like, straight hair is a whole new vibe. I never used to do like straight, like, it's not like I never used to. I'm like a coily hair girl, you know, and just because most hair, they don't stay straight for me, so I'm just like, I don't even bother. But this one, this hair is doing the most, and I love it. The baby hair came out. Okay, it's not bad. What do you guys think? So yeah, so this is the hair. Let me move back. I'm going to do my makeup and then like, where is the lace? Where is the lace? Like, girl, you can't even see. Wow, I'm a pro. I'm a pro. Like, you can't even see the lace, and this hair is so beautiful. What lace? What? Let me do like all those Instagram hairstylists. They'll be like, what lace? Where? No, you can't even see it. Can you see it? Can you? Hair laid, the wig cap, can you see? Like, it just makes it look as if like you're seeing my scalp. Well, as you're not seeing anything, it's just fake scalp, and it's so beautiful. Girl, what lace, please? I'm so gassed. I'm so gassed. And yeah, like, this is how I basically lay my hair. Quick way. Look at. If you don't see me do an outro with makeup, then take this as an outro. I hope you found this video helpful, and yeah, so this is basically a quick way of how I basically lay down my hair. So this is a wide closure. I also do the same with like 4x4 closure, and I'm not into frontal yet. I'm not there yet. I don't think I can handle it, so I'm just going to stick with the wide closures and the 4x4 that I normally use. I hope this video is helpful, and yeah, I hope it will up your game. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you. Bye.